Today is February 28th, 2021. We're at Etnies Skatepark. It is located right next to Serrano Creek. It's a very good biking trail. They have about a dozen parking spots, and there by the gate, parents can watch their kids skateboarding or sit at one of these picnic tables here. The park is pretty big. They have several different sized, different shaped bowls and stairs, ramps, flat bars, handrails, banks, ledges, and rolls. And right now during the pandemic, you need to make a reservation to reserve an hour and 45 minutes of skating time per slot. They limit it to 50 people each slot. So as you can see, the park is not crowded, which is good, great for beginners. They charge different fees for the City of Lake Forest residents and non-residents. You can get an annual membership, quarterly membership, or just get a day pass every time you go. Here Jeremy's tic-tacking to the front entrance. We actually been coming to the skate park pretty frequently lately, so this video I'm combining different clips of our recent trips.